guys, welcome back to this video. Today I have made my first butterfly knife. That was probably for my friend, but I have learned some tricks. So can you please watch my tricks? Alright, here are some couple tricks that I learned. The quick draw, which is the level easy one, the normal open and close. Use the tutorial for the open and close. So first up is a close. You have it from the safe handle. This is a right handle, guys. Remember, this is a right handle. This is a safe handle. Keep it from the safe handle and do it like this. It's like this, do it like this. Then rotate it 130 degrees and do it like back like this. Make sure it doesn't back up, and then you close it. With the opening, you have it closed. Do this 100 degrees. Yeah, it's like the same, but in it's the same but in like reverse mode. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video where I'll play Free Fire, because I have a lot of like days since I haven't played Free Fire. So peace out.